This is our 225-gallon tank. We just finished it. It's been up for a month now. We put the fish in. As you can see, doing very well. The angels are doing well. Pardon the hose. And we have a black shark there underneath. Tiger barbs. And this is going to be obviously a total tropical plant like tank. Oh, and this is our new Sunsun Hw-5000 heater. Fantastic machine. Keeps everything at its temperature. As you can see. Things are going. And over here we have our 80-gallon. And that has a frog in it, but you'll never see the frog. I don't know where he is, little devil. But this is going to be all for plants, and what we're going to do in this one is basically breed the plants for the big tank. And then we had a problem with our Sunsun Hw-5000. They are now both working perfectly. It took me some time. That's the other one. It took me some time to get everything organized. We had quite a bit of problems. Our lighting, Tesla lighting, we have on it. Fantastic lighting for it. Expensive, but worth every dime. We'll do a video on that afterwards. I have this in my foyer, so when you walk in, it's a walk-around tank. So when guests come over, they can enjoy the tank as they're coming in. The Sunsun had a problem with the ultraviolet. I bought 3 of these filter systems, and what I found out is a couple of wires came loose in each one of them, so I resoldered them. 2 of the pumps are working fantastic. You can't hear a thing about them, so I must give them a rate. I had to do some repairs on them, but I mean otherwise they're working really good. As you can see, the water is perfectly clear, and you can get to see the rainbow in the end, right? That's from the Tesla lighting. What's great about this lighting is you can have clouds coming over, lightning, rain. It's a great lighting system. It set me back about $1,600. And this one we have just a standard pumping system on it, and LED lights, but I will change them to the Teslas too later on if I decide to put more fish in there. I'm not deciding exactly what I'm going to do. So as the Sunsun Hw-5000 pump system goes, after all the repairs I did to it, couldn't get parts, so I had to make my own. It's working fantastic. So as you can see, I have 2 canisters on this, and I put little cloths over top. You can see on the intakes, and it grabs all the debris, and which is nice. And the fish love it. They're really enjoying the tank, which is good. And pH, everything else, ammonia, is doing really well. You can see the fish down there. I decided to keep this as for small fish. I didn't want to go with large fish in this tank. I find it more amusing. And plus I want it for plants. I want to see how I can do with the plants. I'm just waiting now for my tank to be filled for carbon. And once that goes in, I'm sure everything is just going to do very well. Anyways, thank you for the likes on my last video. I appreciate it. Sunsun, pardon me. Heater is fantastic. It was $200 Canadian. The filter systems cost me $326 Canadian for each one of them. Again, there's the rainbow in the back, which I thought is really cool how that light does that. But hopefully in another few weeks we'll do some more on it. And I haven't decided what we're going to do with the 80. And I don't know where that little frog went. But this is brand new. We just set this up yesterday. So it's going to, I think it's going to do very well. And the water's really clean, so the filter system on this one's doing very well too. So thank you and have a good day. Bye for now.